Mom and Wixel, have you want to give others a gift which is delicate, beautiful, but cheap? Now, I have a gift for you, which is the teaching material of leaf envelope. Ta-da! You can see this is very beautiful and it's very easy to do it. Even my grandpa, who is almost 90 years old, he can do it. I believe there's no problem for you. Also, it's quite cheap. It's just a card, and even you can make it with an A4 paper. On Mother's Day, your friend's birthday, or even volunteer's day. We might write something on a card and put it in an envelope. But normally, the envelope just an envelope. It's not special, it's not beautiful. This is quite useful. You might see other leaf envelope videos, but what makes mine different, what makes this special, is, as you can see, I did it without glue. It will be much more convenient to you. Now, let's move on. As a teaching material, I'll use a hard card that's different on both sides. But you can use a simple card or even an A4 paper. Now, I'm going to teach you step by step. First, fold it from the left angle downward. So you have a sharp angle on your right here. Next, use this angle, fold it down to here. Next, open it. It seems we did nothing, right? No. What we did is useful. Step 2. Make a leaf vine. This part will be a little bit harder. First, again, right angle, there's a folding line, fold it to here. Then fold it back again. Next, use this side to fold it toward this side. Like this. It's okay for here to go a little bit out. Then we did it another 2 times. 1, 2. If you're confident of your skill, you can fold it the 3rd time. It will make it lots beautiful. And what we need is a folding line, so give it some pressure. Then open it. It seems we did nothing again. No. This folding line is quite useful. So next we need to do one is up, the other is down. How it works. First is up, the other follow the folding line, down. So the next is up, then it's down. Do it many times. Up. After you finished, it will look like this. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Then remember, fold it another side. Remember we have this line, right? And fold it through this line again. Now, amazing things happen. Ta-da! We have leaves. Wow. Then it will be on your left hand side. This side is open. Follow the line you folded before. Fold it down. Congratulations, you already finished the hardest part. Now it goes very simple. Step 3. The right downward angle, fold up. By symmetry, do it another side. Fold it with this line. Fold upward. Like this. And turning at the sharp angle downward. And next is our final step. You need to fold it upward. And where? Now you see here is a point, and this part is a little bit ugly. So my recommend is beyond this line. Like this. Now you see something goes out, and I believe someone with obsessive compulsive disorder might feel very discomfort. Now that's solving their problem. Folded this angle up and hidden here. You finished. You did it. Great job. You're amazing. Now why is envelope? First open it. Then you'll see, ooh, here's a pocket. We can put something inside. So write a card before. Put it inside. And close it. Ta-da! Wonderful. From making this envelope, I learned 2 things. First, it's like the leaves. Some easy method, simple action can make your result much more wonderful. Not only these leaves, I have lots of examples in my daily life. For example, Google Form. And a lot of you finished lots of Google Forms, and some even made it by yourself. I find that if you add a banner on the Google Form, it will make your form much more professional. Second thing I learned, there's always another way to finish the same things. For example, an envelope. Usually we just buy an envelope in a store, but actually we can make it ourselves. And as my daily life, for example, I take MRT, which is like a subway, to our school every day. But there's always another way, right? So recently I find, oh, maybe I can ride a bike. And I find that the time is almost the same, it's much cheaper, and I can exercise. You can think in your daily life. Find another method to do the same things and leave in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, share it to your friends. If you have any idea or suggestion, leave it in below and let me know. Remember to subscribe Wingsole. There's some cool skill. See you next time. Bye.